Okay guys, today we're gonna be checking out Piedmont Park, but before that, we're gonna be jogging right by the beach, like right on the edge. We could fall off at any second. We're at the beautiful beach in Pacifica once again. I'm about to do a little jog, so I'm gonna record some of it for y'all. Yo, look at the beautiful place I get to run at.
Wow.
It's right off the cliff. We got this nice little sidewalk. Look at that. I want to get in. It's cold though. You know what I'm saying? But I gotta catch up with Kyle. Got a little sign here. Look at the cliff right here. Right there, you could just fall all the way into the ocean.
Hey y'all.
Ooh, look at these. Woo! Alright y'all, we're about to go back. We're about to go see some gardens and stuff, but for now I'm gonna cut the video off, finish my run. Yup. Alright guys, after that nice little jog, we're here in Piedmont Park. And today we're about to check it out. The nice scenery, there's some water flowing down there. There's a fountain up there that we just saw that we'll show you. We'll pop it in the video here, or we'll show you later. But yeah. Alright guys, there's a tiny bird right there. Rare occurrence, special occurrence. You guys see it? Guys, even specialer occurrence. Look at these beautiful flowers right here. Get a little closer view if you would, please. Look at that. Very nice. We're about to go down to see this waterfall. There's a little stream that goes down there. I don't know if you can kind of see the area down there, but there's also huge trees. Guys, this is the steepest hill in the universe, and you're seeing it live. Look at him go. Look at that cool bird up there. Oh my, they're fighting. Y'all, this area is so cool. Look, we got look at that. We got a nice wall over here. Look, there's a little seat for Kyle. You can sit right there. Sulphur Springs Grotto. The healing power of mineral springs. I'm not gonna read that. Jump in. No, no, no. Ah! Dragonfly. Damn dragonfly. But yeah, this is a really cool trail. Kyle, I told him that's your little seat right there, that little ledge. And look, there's your little room. Right in there. Alright, we're gonna turn around and go back on the trail.
This football field was part of the trail, by the way.
It's the peepees. There's also a
baseball field.
Alright y'all. So you can see the water goes through a little gate right there. Another little gate. Another little gate. I don't know if you can see that one, the silver one. And then it goes under the baseball field. Pretty cool. Now we're about to walk. Thank you, Kyle. for recording that. There's a little dog bowl you can drink out of. Yo, this is the waterfall I was talking about. You couldn't see it as well before, but now you can see it in its glory. Can you actually see it on the camera? Okay. It's kind of hard because there's so many leaves, but there's a lot of redwoods in California, but this one is huge. I mean, look at it. We're about to get a good shot of how tall it is, but it's pretty tall. It's pretty tall. Pretty tall. It's pretty tall. Guys, this is the view we're talking about right here.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Dad, how tall is that tree, do you think? A bazillion probably, maybe a gazillion or something like that. Kyle's out here taking photographs with the camera our grandmother gave us.
Look at his uncles. There you go.
Whoa, he got up on the thing.
Roll over.
She is a pug. He doesn't roll over.
Aww.
Robbie. Oh. Nope. Just give it to me, Mama.
Guys, so this little area that I just showed you earlier, apparently people used to come to this grotto like before it was kind of dilapidated a little. They used to come and pay to drink the water that runs right there. Well, look. Guys, we got another dog here. We're in a leashless park. There's a little waterfall right here. And look at the sidewalk. It's like, another huge tree.
No filming. You don't have my consent to film me.
Don't film me,
Don't film me.
Guys, this is the right here. Look at that. The Cascade, creating a lush tropical paradise in Piedmont. Look at that. I might want to read this later. Yo, look at this beautiful cherry blossom tree. There's a bunch of them. It's pretty cool. We got some stuff growing on there. We got some other stuff. That almost looks like a crepe myrtle. Yo, that is cool. Look at that, look at that. We got a little Wells Fargo bank right here. Oh, look at these. All right, y'all.
No, that's not there. Let me see.
All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I love y'all. Watch Sako 5100 on YouTube, bro. Boing.